Welcome to Life Upgrade with AI. This channel is all about using AI to make everyday life and the holidays easier and more organized. I'm showing everything on ChatGPT from my desktop, but you can use any AI tool or even the mobile app. Let's dive in. The holidays are coming fast, and for many of us, this season can get expensive really quickly. Between gifts, dinners, travel, decorating, and all the little surprises, it adds up. But the good news is that AI can make holiday budgeting so much easier. Today, I'll show you how to use simple, beginner-friendly prompts to create a realistic holiday budget you can actually stick to, without feeling deprived or overwhelmed. Let's get started. Before we build any kind of budget, we need to know what we're budgeting for. So the first step is asking AI for a simple overview of the most common holiday expenses. Here's the exact prompt I'm using. Give me a simple breakdown of the most common holiday expenses so I can build a holiday budget. AI will list things like gifts, food, events, travel, decorations, and small extras you may not have thought of, like wrapping paper or postage. This gives you a clear picture of everything that typically shows up during the season. Once you see these categories, you can immediately spot where your money usually disappears. That clarity alone makes budgeting feel more doable. Now that we know the categories, let's create your actual holiday budget. Here's the prompt I'm using. Create a holiday budget based on a total budget of $500. Include categories, recommended amount, and where I can realistically save money. You can adjust the total amount to whatever fits your situation. AI will now divide your money across categories and even tell you where spending is usually higher and where you can cut back without losing the holiday magic. This step is where people usually start breathing easier. A budget suddenly feels less scary when you have a clear plan and realistic numbers. Gift giving tends to be one of the biggest holiday stressors. So instead of guessing or overspending, let's use AI to create a gift list that fits your budget perfectly. Here's the prompt you can use. Make a gift budget for 7 people with a recommended spending amount per person based on a total gift budget of $300. Again, adjust the number of people or your budget as needed. AI will divide your budget evenly or adjust amounts based on relationships if you ask. This makes it so much easier to avoid those last-minute panic purchases. You can now take this list straight into your shopping planning or use it as a guide while browsing. Let's face it, even with the best intentions, holiday shopping can turn into chaos. But AI is amazing at helping you stay on top of things. Here's the prompt to use. Make me a holiday shopping plan with deadlines, reminders, and ways to avoid last-minute stress. AI will build a timeline that includes when to start buying, when to order things online, when to wrap gifts, and how to avoid December burnout. Even if you're someone who usually shops on December 23rd, this plan makes everything feel calmer. One extra tip is to include today's date in the prompt as you talk to your AI. That way it'll be an even more realistic schedule. Now let's ask AI for simple ways to cut costs this year. This is super helpful if you're trying to make your budget stretch further. Here's the prompt. Give me 10 practical ways to reduce holiday spending this year without feeling deprived. AI's ideas tend to be surprisingly thoughtful. Things like choosing meaningful low-cost gifts, potluck-style dinner hosting, writing personalized cards using AI, or decorating with what you already have. You can pick the ideas that fit your style and skip the rest. Finally, let's put everything into one clean, simple plan. Here's the final prompt you can use. Combine everything into one simple holiday budget plan I can copy and use. This gives you your overall budget, your gift list, your shopping plan, your savings opportunities, your reminders, and a ready-to-use template. You can paste it into Notes, Notion, Google Docs, whatever you prefer. This becomes your personal holiday budget dashboard for the season. And that's it. With just a handful of simple prompts, you now have a complete holiday budget that's realistic, organized, and easy to stick to without any stress. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out my other videos on how to use AI to plan your week, build habits, and even plan a trip. And tell me in the comments what holiday-themed AI video you'd like next. Gift ideas, holiday organizing, Christmas dinner planning. I'd love to help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.